Okay.
Yes, good afternoon. We're here wiring up a Japanese black pine on the Gold Coast. Let's get some wire. 2.5mm wire. Set this right to the bottom of the pot. Give it a good anchorage. Just hold that there. Nice and tight. So we'll strip some of the foliage so it doesn't get caught under the wire. Get it out of the way. Get a little bit caught under there, it's fine. Not too much. Yep, round and round. Do reasonably close coils so I can get some nice movement into this. The more foliage you take off them, the slower they grow, so we try not to disturb too many needles. Over. And this top bit you can just do it a bit loose, like that. That off. Yeah, so we'll wire these a bit later on, but we'll see. We might wire some today. See how we go. So now to get a bit of movement into this plant, we just hold the base nice and steady. And, if you're doing a twist, you can twist the same way that the wire was applied, so that it actually digs in a bit and doesn't snap the tree. You can get quite a lot of movement. These are about 2-year-old Japanese black pines, so they're pretty pliable. Okay, so that's got a fair bit of movement in it when it's young, which is a good thing. When you're wiring, just keep moving your fingers so that you're not putting too much pressure in the same place. Got a little bit of movement. You don't want to be too greedy. You can always come back later and do some more bending. Yeah. We could get some thinner wire and just give this a bit of a I'm just going to have to angle this. Just do a little bit of wiring on the side branch. If it was any younger, we'd come back at a later date and get some just pretty loose on there. So we can tend, if you can, to follow the same movement, but it's only a young plant. The shape's going to change over time. Got lots of side branches appearing, growing nice and healthy. Here's a couple more examples. You can get some wire on today. We've got hundreds of these out the back. Perfect. The diameter of the trunks are nice and pliable at this stage. Yep, so good. There's some we wired earlier today. They looked exactly the same as these. They're pretty straight. Yeah, so a bit of bonsai wire, magic stuff. You can't really do it without it. Otherwise you've got to use the clip and grow method, which is a lot slower. So the bonsai wire is the way to go. Got some more examples of the wire we applied probably an hour, 2 hours ago. We did about 10 plants. Yeah, the most important thing is just to get some initial movement down low. So when they grow up, they've this one here, you can see if we got that a year ago, we could have bent that and got a lot of movement into it. But you can always, with something like this, do an angle change when you pot it, and it sort of blends in a bit better. There you go. We'll see you on another video. Thank you.